In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your cPanel for your domain that you have just registered and connected to hosting. So if you've been following this training, or if you prefer to use another service provider, you should be able to get this, or maybe one of the ways that you can use is one of the ways that I'm actually going to show you. So right now our website looks like this, and we need to log into the cPanel and install WordPress. But before that, I thought I should do a lesson on how to log into your cPanel. So the first method that you want to do to log into your cPanel is to copy your URL, or just remember your name. And what you need to do is to go online, and then let me see if I can find a text to here. Okay, once you go online, you need to type your website like this, and then at the end you type in cPanel. Okay, once you type in cPanel, you press enter on the browser. You are going to be taken to your cPanel login page. Let me just go ahead and do that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to paste that in. Once I paste that in onto the browser bar, it's going to connect to cPanel, and it's going to ask for your name, for your username and email. Okay, so at this stage you might ask, where do I get this name and username and my password? Now, to get your username and your password, log into the email that you used, okay, when you created an account that has got information that says new account information. Okay, open that email. Once you open that email, it will have your login details. As you can see here, it says here it says control panel URL. This is the URL that you can use, and then once the domain is propagated, you can actually use that. So the login details that you need is this username and the password. So this is going to log you into your cPanel. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the username and the password and head over to my cPanel to log in. So I've actually entered my username and my password here, and what I'm just going to do is to click on login, and then it's going to say I've successfully logged in. So what you can see right now is the cPanel, and we've done an overview of the cPanel, and you've just logged in. Okay, so that was the first method of how you can log into your cPanel. Let me show you the second method. The second way to log into your cPanel is to find the email that has got new account information, and then once you find it, you click to open. Once you've actually opened, you're going to see the username and the login and the password, and then the URL, the link to click to get to your cPanel. You just click on that, and then you can get to your cPanel. And or once your domain is actually propagated, you can just click that link, and then you can get to the cPanel. Once you click on this link, let me just click on that, a new page is going to open up. Okay, a new page is going to open up. It's going to take me to that page. I use my login details to log in here. Let me show you the third way of how you can log into your cPanel. The third way to log into your cPanel is to log into your client portal. So in this case, if you've been following our videos and you've used Creative 21 Hosting as your hosting platform, you just need to go ahead and click on account and click on login. If you've used another service, it's actually the same. Okay, all you have to do is to click on login and use the login details to log into your client portal, and I'm gonna do just that. If you have forgotten your password, you can just click forgot password. You'll be able to be sent your password for your client portal. And right now I'm logging into my client portal. So as you can see that the services that you have, or the product that you have, you've got one domain and one service, which is the hosting package. So when you go to the cPanel hosting shared, you're going to notice that there's a button that says log into your cPanel. So you just click on that, and then that will take you to your cPanel. If you want to log into your webmail, you can just click that, and then what you can do is just to click on that, and then it's going to open on a new page. Okay, and then this actually, because you're doing it from your client portal, it's not going to ask you for your password, because it's more like you are the super admin. Once you click on it, it will take you to bypass the password process. So those are the 3 ways that you can use to log into your cPanel if you need, okay, if you need to. So with that said, thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you on the next video where we're going to be talking about how to install WordPress from the cPanel portal, because you have just logged in actually. Okay, if you have any questions, please go ahead and ask questions within our community. I'll be more than happy, and the team as well, I'll be more than happy to give you assistance. With that said, bye for now.